Hello everybody. Today I want to unboxing this thing that we bought online. We purchased online. So one is the small one, then another one is the bigger one.
The long one, this one, Daddy?
Yes,
the long one.
The
white tower, Daddy?
Yes, correct.
White tower, the white person tower. I need that.
Look at that. Okay, jadi open this one.
Tower, Daddy. Tower, Daddy. Tower.
It's so small there, you see?
Smallest one.
Very small. There.
You saw the envelope.
Yeah.
Envelope.
This one is the parts for the car. The spare part for the car. What?
For the bottom saga.
Yes, correct.
Bottom saga, that car.
There, see. Pump.
The pump for the car then.
The pump motor.
Pump motor for the car.
Yes. For the car wiper.
The car wiper. The car wiper ini.
Okay. Okay. The next one. The next one is the longer, the bigger one. This one. What is this? This is bush cutter. Electric bush cutter. She was there. Bush cutter.
Bush cutter for cut the grass.
To cut the grass. Correct.
Poppy. Also this one is a charger.
The charger. There, you show there. Down a bit.
Let's see. The house. The house one. Our house.
House.
The house. Our.
Yeah. Jadi on your microphone. Okay. Just stop.
Hello.
There you go.
The grass cutter. The cut the grass tadi. The sound one. So loud the sound one.
So loud.
The one no. You cut the grass.
There.
So this thing, what thing this?
This is the battery.
The battery for the charger. For the cable.
998 volt F.
This one also.
998 volt F.
This. Oh, it's
The
the
charger.
battery.
Don't throw it. Don't throw.
Let's see.
Okay, ready.
No, for
See
the grass cutter.
the instruction how to install it.
To cut the grass.
Hello everybody. Today we want to cut
Grass.
grass with Daddy. Correct.
Okay. The grass.
Come with me.
Okay.
And the nut,
Grass cutter.
Okay.
the wood cutter.
Bush cutter. Okay. So we go and cut the grass outside there first.
Yan, yan.
Okay. Bryson, stay here with mommy to go the way the hot. Okay. That one, put it in front. Okay. Okay. How is it big? Okay. Strong. Okay, stay here, Bryson. Later we sweep it. Wait until finish. When finish already, then we can cut the that one. Sweep. Come here, come. Ini heavy duty kah, Abi? Very strong and sharp, Abi.
Very strong.
Ya, biasanya satunya. Satunya kan, ya. Later. Trim it first, the lalang. Ini tapi jangan ni tapi.
Lahap.
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 Ini tapi.
Lahap kami.
Lahap.
Lahap. Lahap tadi.
Bocah.
The atap. Last time people make the atap at our house here.
Last time.
Last time because of daddy. I think they make the atap. Ada juga tua. Bahasa nama sekarang.
Jangan tumpah semprot, ya.
Give me that thing there. Why stop? Satu taat may bunga daun. Itu yung two hands. Lalu kita terima salatnya. Oke. Yeah. That one just tebang it deh, yes. Ini ada daunannya.
I try this.
Nearer to the ground then, never mind.
Bryson also want to cut grass there. No, Bryson sweeping. Sweeping. Okay. So now I want to cut the one, Bio, what you call it? The branch or the bunga kertas. Want to replant it again.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.